Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of using a slow and clunky laptop that can't keep up with your busy lifestyle? Look no further than the HP 17 laptop, a powerhouse of a device that's designed to make your life easier. With its lightning-fast performance, you'll be able to tackle even the most demanding tasks with ease. The HP 17 laptop is powered by an Intel Core 7150U processor, which provides superior efficiency and speed, making it perfect for seamless multitasking. You'll also appreciate the 16GB DDR4 RAM and 512GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD, which ensure fast storage and reduced load times, resulting in a smooth and responsive performance. This laptop is well reviewed by many customers who have purchased and loved it, and for good reason. The versatile connectivity options, including USB Type-C, USB Type-A, and HDMI ports, make it easy to connect to all your devices, and the Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.3 provide fast and reliable wireless performance. You'll love the feel of the keyboard and the sound of the HD quality audio, which make it perfect for streaming, online classes, or video conferences. Whether you're a student, designer, professional, or gamer, this laptop has got you covered. With its Windows 11 Home 64-bit operating system and AI-powered Copilot, you'll have intelligent assistance for a variety of tasks, making it an ideal choice for anyone looking for a reliable and efficient laptop. Overall, the HP 17 laptop is a great choice for anyone looking for a fast, versatile, and reliable device that can keep up with their busy lifestyle, so why not give it a try? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you like the video.